In this tutorial, we will see the Impeka Content Manager. You can use Content Manager in any custom post type with WP Bakery Page Builder. So we have created a new page and we go to the backend editor. Now we click this button, Templates, and all the available Impeka layouts appear. On the left, you can choose a category and select the layout you want to import. So let's try some. Let's use this one. And here it is. We go to layout to templates again. And let's choose this one. Here it is. And now let's add a theme layout. This one. And here it is. So we click Update. Let's view this page. And that's it. We have created a new page in just 2 minutes. Thank you for watching.